Hi guys, welcome to this first tutorials of RpgMaker MV. First time you open the program, actually it's possible you end up with a screen like that or with a new project. I'm just gonna show you, if you're in this position, how to create a new project. You may click on this little icon to create a new project, or you may click on the file and create new project. Here you will name your project. I'll call this learning process because it's a tutorial. You may change the game title, doesn't matter, and where actually you want to save your project. So now it's copying all the file from the database to your project. Note that the sound and all the audio files are in the OGG format. So if you have MP3 or MP4 or WAV files, I suggest you transfer them into the OGG format, and I will show you how to do that later. Oh, finally we're done. So what you have here is a screen of your map 01 of your first map of your project. So now it's a grassy area and there's a character in the center, which is the player's starting position. So I suggest you may move it, but for now you just click on the right button and just delete it. So let's go. These are the two main functions of RpgMaker when designing a map. This is the icon for the event editing. Here you will create new event and add stuff to interact with the player. And on the side to the left you have the map editing mode, where you can take your tiles and draw the actual design on your map. You have many tools. With you have the pen, the square or rectangle tool, the circle tool, which is pretty okay on big map, and you have the filling tool, which will fill automatically. This is a new function right here. This is the shadow pen. You can put shadow. So we're just gonna put this to the grass. So that's it for the A section. The B section is where you will add object. I will show you how to make object passable or unpassable, or where your character looks like is beside an object. So let's take this mountain, for example, place it here. If I want to place a new mountain here, I just click and the mountain just appear to be above, which is pretty good. And let's say I'm going to the C section. There's a lot more stuff, and I put this mountain here and I want it to be below the mountain. Actually it appears in front of it. So what's cool about RpgMaker is that you may just reselect the tiles and click, and now your mountain is in the front of the other mountain. I will show later how to make cool maps. So this is the zoom function to see some little details. This is the zoom out. When you have a large map, you can see all around it, and you want to go back to your 1:1 ratio. Click here. This little gear icon actually is the database. This is where you will edit all the important design of your game. I'm gonna show you later how to use this. This is the plugin manager. This is where you will implement some new plugin or deactivate your plugin and edit the plugin. Here is the sound test, so you may just listen to the song, the background sound of your game, the musical effect, and the sound effect. Take a look at this. This is a cat. So the sound are pretty good. The basic sound, you may add more, and I'll show you how to do that. This is another function, where is the event searcher, where you can search events. If you want to search an event. And this one is really great. This is the character generator. Here you will create some character from scratch with different template available. You can change the hair color, the eyes, the eye color, the nose shape of your character, and its clothing, and a lot of stuff. And you can edit a female character too, which is pretty cool. And this button here is the playtest. So we're just gonna make a test of our little map. So they ask if you want to save, and say yes. Oh, we got a little error. The player's starting position is not set. Actually, we encountered this error because we deleted the player's starting position at the beginning of the tutorials. So how you want to set a new position, is you go to the event editing mode, left click on it, then choose somewhere in your map where you want your characters to start, and right click and set starting position player. So your player will start there at the beginning of the game. So we got the menu, we made a new game, and we start here with the mountain. Wow. Actually, there's 3 characters that follows the leader. I will show you how to disable this, or just start with 1 character. So press escape and you will go to the menu of your RPG. That's about it for now. So don't miss the next tutorials. See ya.